gusto mong matuto ng social media management and marketing and you're willing to pay pero sana naman yung worth it, yung karapat-dapat, yung hindi ka matatapos ang training na nag-iisip na yun na yun. Hi, Mary here and everyday nagpo-post ako ng bagong video so pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ng computer at internet. Tanong tayo ni D. Sino po or anong mga trainings for SMM yung marirecommend ko? Willing to pay naman daw siya, pero syempre, just like everyone else, dahil pinaghirapan natin yung pera natin, gusto sana natin yung sulit yung training. Super juicy. Yung marami kang matututunan. Yung meron ng mga positive feedbacks from previous mentees na talagang nakatulong sa kanila. If this is you, then RT might be able to help you out. Simulan muna natin sa ano nga ba yung mga sinasabi ng mga mentees tungkol sa training na to. I mean, don't take my word for it, but eto yung mga feedback based dun sa conversation kasi we use Google Classroom to provide feedback, ano ba yung mga kailangan gawin. Also, one thing that I am so happy and proud of is that every single trainings, we try and improve yung aming sessions. Kasi wala namang perfect talaga. We figure out ano yung what did we do well, and what can we do better. The program has been the same. Pero yung execution, I think that's what sets us apart sa mga nag-o-offer ng mentorship program. We have a social media management and marketing class. 2 days yung class, 4 hours each class. Isa lang ang mentor natin for the live session. In any case na hindi ka available na mag-take ng live session, you can always check out the recording that's usually posted about 2-3 days after the actual training. And after the live session, meron kayong 2 weeks na internship where you guys will be doing tasks for real clients. So lahat yan, brand audit, strategy, post creation, content creation assets and all, gagawin nyo to para sa isang live business and pwede nyong gamitin yung ginawa ninyo dun sa mismong internship ninyo para ilagay sa inyong portfolio. Speaking of portfolio, so after ng 2 weeks na internship ninyo, you guys will have to wait for an application book session. After the application book, so turuan ko kayo doon kung paano mag-apply, paano mag-create ng lahat ng gagamitin ninyo para mag-apply. Magkakaroon kayo ng final activity na isasubmit ninyo. Pagkatapos nyo may submit yung final activity, you guys will have your scheduled one-on-one mock interview with me. Alam ko, minsan bitin, but since nasa Google Classroom tayo, as long as nag-i-exist yung Google Classroom na yon, you have full guidance from the mentors themselves. And what would you normally do is, may questions kayo about a particular client, you guys would be able to ask them then via Google Classroom. So, we try to be as responsive as possible sa mga questions ng mentees namin, almost 24/7 unless ma-miss namin yung timeline na yun for whatever reason. Anyway, everything that I mentioned, it's only 999 pesos. And if you guys wanna enroll, just click that link in my bio. Kapag hindi gumana yan, copy and paste nyo lang siya sa browser. You can also check this on Instagram. Pwede nyo i-click yan. Kung sa Facebook nyo naman napanood to, pwede nyo i-check yung caption. At kung sa YouTube nyo naman nakita to, check nyo yung description box. Yes, I also post on my LinkedIn account. I'm also on Threads. But if you wanna know where the kalat happens, it's right on Twitter. You guys will then be taken to this page. Hover nyo lang pataas hanggang sa makita ninyo open classes. Pagkatapos makikita nyo na dyan, social media management level 3 siya, 999 pesos lang. I-click nyo lang. Ando na yung form, nandun na rin yung course outline. If you have other questions about this class, comment them here. And if you feel that this is something that would definitely help your journey, then go ahead and join the class na kasi magko-close na yung class ng SMM this coming week kasi mag-start na yung next class. Pero nandiyan na rin, nakaplot na rin yung ibang schedules. Anyway, hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!